Over here working on this Velos brand four-wheeler and checking it over, cranking it over with the rockers exposed and the adjusters exposed. The intake valve was a little loose and kind of a lot loose, but what we wound up finding in there was, I don't know if you can see it there, hold on. There's actually a nut down in there. That'd be the problem. All right, go ahead and crank it over and try and loosen up the, or try and push in the intake valve and get the nut to come out with this magnet here. Should be going down now. Hold on, let me take a look at it with the mirror. All right, well we got the head off. You can see the valve won't close. The intake valve will not close right there, and you can see that nut down in there. We're gonna try to get that out. Gotta take the whole valve out just to get it out now. That's what we're gonna do next.